Welcome back to another episode of Plano Property Checkup. Today we're here with Kenny with Neighborhood Services. What are we going to be talking about today?
Well, today we're talking about indoor plumbing safety.
That's why we got a toilet right here. But first, we're going to be talking about what?
Faucets.
Okay, so let's turn around. What are we looking at the sink?
You gotta make sure you don't have any leaks around the base,
Okay.
around the base of the faucet down here, and also at the handle itself.
How often do you think we're going to need to be checking for leaks?
I would say at least 4 times per year. Try to do it at least once a quarter.
Kind of quarterly. Okay.
Yeah, or seasonally.
Okay, so we got a toilet bowl here, right?
Exactly.
Okay, what should I be looking out for here?
Your first step is to turn off the shut-off valve at the water source.
So on a residential toilet, that'll obviously be underneath.
Down
it.
toward the floor.
All we got
exactly.
is the bowl right now.
Yes.
And this has never been used, right?
Never been used.
Okay, good to know. Good to know. What are we looking at inside here?
You're going to be looking at the toilet flapper, which is going to be usually a red or orange rubber flapper, and is hooked onto a chain. You simply replace the flapper with a new flapper, hook the chain to the lever, and you're all good to go.
Okay, you're talking about replacing the flapper. How do you know when you need to replace it?
Listen out, if you hear a small sound, a small hissing sound, that's water slowly seeping down.
Okay.
And that's costing you money. That tells you the flapper seal has been broken.
Oh, no. Yeah, we don't want to waste money, like
Absolutely.
literally down the drain.
I can't.
Okay. So what are some indoor plumbing tips we need to know? I've heard about flushable wipes. Those are not a good thing, right?
Do not put flushable wipes,
Flushable.
grease, and paper towels in your toilet, only toilet paper.
Okay, good tips. So what else do we need to know?
You really need to know where your main water shutoff valve is which is going to be out at the street, at the curb,
Okay.
under a black lid.
Okay.
You have to have a key to open that up, but it's crucial to know that in case a water heater breaks or there's a flood in your house, that turns off the main source of water.
Oof, okay, that is good to know. Okay, and we should also be wary of like unusual sounds, right?
Unusual sounds, unusual smells, those are really indicators of a problem that you need to diagnose immediately.
Yes, we all rely on indoor plumbing, so thank you so much for those quick maintenance tips. We will see you next time on Plano Property Check.